Hello, this is Peony Prashanti. So today I went to the Asian market to find some mochi. I eat it 3 times a week, to get some like strength, because that's what mochi does. It's called strengthening food. It has a lot of calories, and I like calories because I burn them really quick. But anyway, they come from Japan, and then in this package there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, only 6 in here. And I've asked around people, if they have a mochi machine that they would like to donate to me, and I found a donator. I was so happy. He's from the Japanese American Association. Bless him, bless him. I tried to order one online, but something about the um the stabilizer or the voltage was different. It was just, I don't know, I just had problems with it. Anyway, so I'm going to roast it like this until it puffs up. But so I went to the Asian market today, and I was pushing my cart along with this mochi bags, and this young, well, not young, this woman about my age, so we're not young, about my age, with her mom, her Japanese mother. She's half Asian, half white like me. She says, "Where did you get that mochi?" And I said, "Oh, come, I'll show you." So she says to her mom, her 87-year-old mom, "Mom, stay here." So I took her to where the mochi was. It was like hidden away inside. Anyway, so the mom, the mom says, "How do you cook your mochi?" And I said, "I just put shoyu and some sugar." And she says, "Oh, you have to make it with peanut butter and shoyu." Well, I don't eat shoyu because it has wheat, and I don't even trust the tamari. So I have Bragg's amino acid. I don't know. Some people think it's gross. It just takes time to get used to it. The difference. So anyway, I'm gonna try it. I'm gonna get some peanut butter. Oh man, this is gonna be so good. I don't know how much to put. I think I'll just do like a tablespoon, because a tablespoon is almost like 160 calories if we're counting calories. So let me see. God, I can't see. 1 tablespoon has 190 calories. All right. And how many calories does this have? 6 servings. Oh well, no. One piece is 110 calories. So, 200 and almost 300 calories, right? Oh, I had the heat on too high. Okay, so I had the heat on too high, so it burned. But that's okay. I like burn. So to this, I'm going to add a little bit of tamari, maybe like that much, and then mix it up. Ooh, this is gonna be super gooey. I hope it doesn't get stuck in my throat. I don't want to die from choking. Worst nightmare. Yeah, that looks really gooey. Let me add more. And this is salty. And you know what else I'm going to add to this? I'm going to add ginger juice. Because ginger is like, it helps to digest almost anything, right? So, I'm going to grate this up. Okay, it's amazing ginger grater. Everything's amazing. And squeeze. So you just squeeze. Ooh, look. Oh my God, that's a lot. It's going to burn my throat. I think I put too much. Okay. This still looks really gooey. Peanut butter and soy sauce. I should have tried it before I took this video, but really sticky. I think I should add water to it. Okay, I'm back with some water. Just a little bit, because if I put more soy sauce or Bragg's, it'll get too salty. Okay. That was hot. Oh, look at that. It's starting to poof up, see? I bet peanut butter. I bet, you know what? This might even taste good with honey on it too. Soy sauce. It's almost like a peanut butter jelly sandwich, huh? Soy sauce, mochi sandwich. Soy sauce, ginger juice, peanut butter. It's still too thick. Look. Watch it, watch it. Poofing. This is fun. Watch, it's gonna go poof. It's like popping a pimple. Yeah, I'm one of those pimple poppers that just love watching oozy stuff coming out of the skin. Weirdo. Okay, this doesn't look very appetizing, and I could have made it nicer, but this is real life. Ooh, that was hot. You know when you burn your finger, you're supposed to touch your earlobe, and miraculously, the burn goes away? Or use a chopstick. Okay. This is a horrible presentation, but you know, it's okay. You know what it needs? More ginger juice. I think I'm gonna actually even put honey in here. Oh, you know what's better than honey? Okay, I just ordered this today. Brown rice syrup. I bet you this would be really good on here. If I can open it. Oh my God. Oh. Gosh, this is so hard to open. Okay. Okay. Yum. And this is gluten-free. All right, this is going to be really good. Salty, pungent, sweet. This is actually my dinner. Mochi and kale. Oh, this is a perfect consistency. Look at that. It just fixed the whole thing. That lady, the Japanese lady, she didn't tell me that it was going to be thick. She just said add peanut butter and soy sauce. Oh, and you know what? She comes from the same place my mother comes from, Hokkaido. I was so thrilled. Yeah. All right. Let's give it a test. This is good. I bet you can even wrap this with seaweed.